Welcome to GlideX RV, your top destination for detailed reviews, in-depth specifications, and cutting-edge features of the latest vehicles and technology of 2025. Today we're diving into one of the most remarkable and technologically advanced motorhomes, the 2025 Audi Motorhome Overland. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a perfect blend of innovation. If you've ever wanted to explore the open road without sacrificing speed, comfort, or style, then this is the ultimate motorhome for you. Audi has always been at the forefront of precision engineering and futuristic design, and this motorhome is no exception. The exterior is an impressive mix of sleek aerodynamics and rugged off-road capability. The front grille showcases Audi's signature design, flawlessly integrated with LED matrix headlights that not only enhance its appearance but also deliver superior illumination in any environment. With increased ground clearance, a reinforced suspension system, and all-terrain tires, this motorhome is built to handle both urban roads and the most challenging off-road paths. Step inside. The interior embodies Audi's philosophy of luxury and state-of-the-art innovation. Premium leather upholstery, real wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a cozy yet ultra-modern atmosphere, making the cabin feel more like an upscale penthouse suite than a motorhome. The seating area is equipped with high-end reclining chairs that include built-in massage functions. A top-tier entertainment system with a hidden OLED TV and a smart panoramic glass roof, which can switch between transparent and tinted at the push of a button, adds to the overall comfort. The kitchen setup includes high-quality appliances, featuring an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. Every aspect of the interior has been carefully designed to maximize convenience and elevate the travel experience, whether you're parked in a scenic location or cruising down the highway. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where Audi truly excels. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this revolutionary model runs on an advanced all-electric powertrain paired with Audi's latest Quattro all-wheel drive technology. The dual-motor system generates a staggering 700 horsepower, ensuring instant acceleration and a remarkably smooth ride. The advanced energy management system optimizes power distribution, ensuring maximum efficiency without sacrificing performance. This motorhome isn't just about providing a comfortable experience, it delivers an unrivaled driving sensation. When you think of motorhomes, speed probably isn't the first thing that comes to mind, but Audi has rewritten the rules. The Audi Motorhome Overland can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 5.5 seconds, a feat rarely seen in luxury motorhomes. With a top speed of 130 miles per hour, it easily outpaces anything else in its category. Even more impressively, it boasts a massive 500-mile range on a single charge. You can recharge up to 80% in only 30 minutes, making long-distance trips smoother and more efficient than ever before. With all these groundbreaking features, you're probably wondering about the cost. The starting price is approximately $550,000, but for those looking for custom interiors, upgraded technology, and exclusive add-ons, the price can easily exceed $750,000. While this is a significant investment, it's important to recognize that this motorhome isn't just a mode of transportation, it's an entirely new way to experience travel. So, is the 2025 Audi Motorhome Overland worth it? If you're the kind of person who expects the ultimate combination of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, then the answer is a resounding yes. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a revolutionary step forward in travel innovation. Audi has once again proven why they are leaders in automotive innovation. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Audi Motorhome Overland. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to GlideX RV. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay connected for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.